Place the charging stand on the board. Secure it with screws. Place charging station on a flat ground. Place it near an electrical outlet. Avoid low-lying areas where water accumulates. Insert 6 screws into mount. Insert the power cord into the charging stand. Install the mounting pole. Join the mounting pole. Insert the mounting pole into the ground. Install the RTK station onto the mounting pole. Screw tight the power cord. Connect the power cord between RTK station and charging stand. One, press any key to light up the screen. 2. Input password. Press OK. 3. Click on Mo to progress. 4. Select Start or Resume. Press OK. Then it can be easily operated through the mobile app.